All right, welcome back. And before I get started, I would like to say a big thank you to my first Patreon. I really appreciate your help. Thank you very much. And also thank you to all the new subscribers. And let's get the show on the roll. Last time we left, I believe where the player can equip an item, and then the progress bar will show, and also based on how many items the player has on, it will deal some damage, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Yep. And let's see. Okay, we also need to delete the backpack. So before I get started, I would like to show you something that I've started working on. It's not it's not really it's not perfect yet, but we'll get there. So if I pick up a lot of items, it's not perfect yet, but I'm still working on it. Oh, grab this. If I press 4, it spawn a little box. But when we do the shelter, I will have it where you can, I'm guessing, craft, and then it will just pop up on in a location in the shelter. But now if I press tab, you can see I have uh, a tab for storage. I can add everything to the storage. Now the issue I'm having now, it's the stackable item. So when I click that, you see it add 4, but yeah, so that's what I need to work on. See, now I gotta go up here to delete everything, but I can also pick up all the other items, but it's the stackable item that's giving me problem. But I will figure, I'm gonna play with it and find out where to fix it. But also if I walk outside the trigger box area, it will close, see, by itself. Go in. So this is what I've been working on, but like I said, I still have a little bit of stuff to do. So let's do what we came here for today. And today we're going to work on unequipping the item. Let me go to my project and see, how did I do it? Okay. Okay, first thing we need to do, we need to open the player character, and let's check in ammo, weapon. No, we don't need that. We need to go to the equipment graph, and we're pretty much going to do the same thing for the armor, the helmet. We're gonna do the same thing for the backpack, because to unequip them, well, in my finished project, to unequip anything, you simply have to press left control and unequip it. Because if you press left click, it pop up this little widget that we're gonna add something later on. I don't know what, but we're gonna add something. But if you want to unequip it, you simply just hold left control and click, and then unequip. So to achieve that, we need to go to our project settings, input, other input mapper, and then you can say L underscore CTRL. get the node, click this, press whatever button you want to assign it to, and in the replication graph, we're gonna create two custom events. One for server set left control, or let's just do that, and on a server, and then client left control on a client. You don't have to make them reliable, but and we need to create some variables. Let's go to the character stat and Control D to duplicate one of these is CLT press. Can add a question mark, and it's already replicated. And let's move it up a little bit. So here we're going to set it, and we call client. Yep. And I believe I did it like this. Yeah. So now if we go to the inventory, we go to the widget, open, no, not this. We go to inventory, open this, and open the menu. We need to get this is okay. Let's start naming them. Helmet BTN, and this is armor BTN. Okay, cool. So we will get click button, click event for the helmet. We get the player to see if it's valid, and we need to get is LCT up. Wait a minute, what did I name it? Okay, got that. Character. What is going on? Okay. Right. Get. Why am I not getting it? Is why am I not getting this? Why? Get what is going on? Yeah, I guess the name was too long, I guess. Unreal. Get left control. Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna do it like this then. We're gonna get left control, but before we do that, let's get this is the helmet. let's get a helmet ref. Make sure we even have a helmet before you even trying to unequip anything. Is valid. If it is, we need to check to see if this is true. If it is true, what we're going to do, we're gonna get the player again, and then we're going to get the reference to the helmet again. Get helmet info. Ref. If it's not valid, we can just, that's where we're going to create the widget. Okay, the other widget, the pop-up widget. Create pop-up widget. Okay, so now if left control is pressed and the helmet is valid, what we need to do first, we need to pick up the item. We need to remove the item from the slot and add it to our inventory. So we're going to say pick up item, and the item info will be the item info from the helmet. Item info, plug it up, and we also need to call the server dish. Let's just grab this. We don't need to keep checking it. We can say server destroy helmet. Yep. And then we just plug this in. So now I believe if we go grab a helmet, pick it up, say whatever this is, pop-up widget, and if we hold left control, interesting, it's not setting it up. Left control is not being set up. Let me go see what I did wrong. Give me a minute. I know I have it somewhere and replicated. Yep. I know it. I did it the wrong way. I knew it. This, we don't need to plug it up here. You just remove this. Make sure you set it to true here. Okay. And then we also need to set it to false also, because when we release it, we need to set it to false. Okay, so we need to server set ctrl false. Let's go up this. Make sure one on server, and we can say client set to false. So make sure it's on the client. So we can repeat the same process. Grab this, stick it here, plug it here, and then here we call client set it to false, and grab this. Now set this to false. Okay, so that's how it should work. That's how it should go. I mean, okay, so let's give it another try. Pick up helmet, equip it, left click, Okay, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? If it's true, yep. If it's true, do that. Okay. 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 Oh. Okay, I think I know what's going on. I think I may know what's going on because this is not setting to true. So left control. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Client left control. Right, left control false. Control true. Server. Client. Server client false. Oh, no crap, Sherlock. It's not gonna work because we never called the input. Of course, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be one of those days again, huh? Yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. Server set left control, and on release we said server set left control false. Yeah, of course it's not gonna work because we never called it. I grab it, left control, boom. See, click it. Whatever this is, however I spell it with capital, and then left control, click, boom, pick it up. We can do the same thing for the backpack and everything. So let me just clap this to a node to make yeah. Claps it to a node. Make sure stay clean. Unequip helmet. Yeah. So let's set it to unequip helmet. Keep it over here. And then let's do the same thing for the, what's this? Armor. Grab it. Click. We can pretty much grab everything. Because I'm being lazy tonight. Grab everything. See? Paste right here. Make sure you get armor. Armor. Plug it here. Plug it. Nope, that's from, yeah. Get armor. Get armor ref. And plug it here. Remove this. And pick up and make sure you destroy the right thing. Okay. Server destroy armor. Put this here. Put this here. Remove this. And to be on the safe side, we can also set armor ref to false. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go do the same thing for the helmet. Helmet set helmet ref to false. False. And repeat the same process. Let's clap this to a node. Let's delete this. Node. Unequip armor. Let's keep our code clean. Grab the same thing for the backpack. paste, get backpack ref, get backpack ref. Let's go here because we're getting the info. Move this, we're getting the info for it, and make sure say server destroy backpack. Plug this up. Plug this. No, plug this up. Delete this. Remove this. VRs. No. Set backpack ref to nothing. Now let's go take a look. Oh no, before we do that, let's clap unequip backpack. Equip backpack. Now let's go take a look. Pick up my helmet, backpack. Put them on. Yep. We're gonna take care of this. It's a simple fix. Okay, so I believe to take care of that, we need to go to the pickup item. Yeah, we need to go to the pickup item, and here we're just gonna do the same thing for the helmet, backpack, and whichever one we don't want. So we can just copy this, paste it here. Off the force, you go here, paste it again. Off the force, we go here, and then here, put this up. And for the equipment, we need backpack ref. We need another one. We need armor ref, and we need another one. And this one is for the armor. No, the helmet ref. And we can clap these to a node also. We can say clap to node is equipment valid. Yep. So that way when we want to equip the item, we don't get the notification again, because we don't want to see it. See? Okay. So now let's take care of these images visibility if we don't have anything equipped. So for the helmet, click that. Let's double check this. In my node, I have it like this. Give me 1 second, let me double check. Visibility for the image. Yeah. In my node, it's pretty much the same thing. You see how we say get visibility for the item container. So we pretty much going to, if I go here, select this, what is it? Visibility. We need check the player to make sure the player is valid. We're doing the helmet. We say get helmet ref. Make sure it's valid. It's valid. If it is, we need that item info. We want to break it, and we get the class. We say is valid if the class is valid. If the class is valid, then we show it. But if the class is not valid, we can't do that. Let me see. I think that will work. No, of course not. Because I'm doing it in the wrong thing. I'm doing it in the wrong thing. I need to do it for the brush. Where are you? I need it to for the brush, yes. Not the, not this, not, wait, I already did it here? Yeah, it's already here. So why is it still showing? Ah, okay. Here. We need to change the color to that. I'm like, something ain't right. Yeah. Okay, so let me just go remove this then. Yeah. What is this? Camera visibility. Yeah. Let's delete this. And also go here. Click on the button. Because it's gonna give you an error if you don't. Yeah, see? So remove it. So for all of them, the image on the, so you can just copy the one for the helmet. And then for the armor, yeah, we have it too. Just make the same thing. The tint, just make the color. And the backpack image, yep, make the tint. Select that. Now, if we don't have it in equip, I'm not gonna get this. Okay. And to get rid of the other one, we can just copy this. It doesn't matter. You can add whatever you want to add for yours. Brush. I know I'm not. Yeah. Yeah, the brush. Where are you? Still touching the button. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it for this. But now what's gonna happen is now when you equip the backpack, yeah, it's gonna do that. So let's go ahead and just create a binding for this. Remove that. And for now, we can simply just can we do this? Nope, it's not gonna work. Let's go to the character. Let's duplicate this and say ACC for accessories and get ACC. So just so we can have something, you know. you can put whatever else equipment you have. All right, so I think this should work because ACC is not gonna be valid. So same thing for the text, because if you go here, you grab the text. So too much work. This just remember whenever you're doing your stuff to set this to visible, otherwise you won't be able to see it, because right now nothing happened. And then same thing for this guy. No, right. Let's collapse the image so that way you don't see this white background, right? Same for the text. Make sure if you're adding your melee weapon or whatever you're adding to it, just make sure you set it back to visible. Yeah, so now you see everything is fine. Everything, click it, create the widget, unequip. Okay, so now let's work on the auto pickup. Remember, wait, let me enable it first before I even show it. Equipment, what is it? No, not equipment. Game settings, auto pickup, true. Now if
Squad drop inbound, over.
I didn't mean to do that, but yeah, as you can see, definitely didn't mean to do that, but okay. So now let's work on that. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the game settings, duplicate this, and call it auto pickup. And if you want, by default, it's always going to be true. So now what we need to do, we need to go back to the item master where we're doing the overlapping for the BP master item. Okay, we need to check, what is it, right here on the false, we need to check to see if auto pickup it's true. Yeah, auto pickup. You know what? Grab this because I don't like wires. Yikes. I do not like the wires. Okay. If this is true, if auto pickup is true, what we need to do, we need to check the item type to see which item we are interacting with. Because if it's a helmet, we want to attach it. If it's a weapon, we want to equip it. Okay, so we'll get the item info, we break it, and we're gonna do a switch on item type. If it's true, if it is anything but the equipment, we're just gonna do this, because if it's a health item, we just need to, or you can have it where if your health is low, it automatically do, heal you, but I'm not going into that. So we do this, If it's money, we do this. But let me see, that's how we have drinks also go here. But if it's a weapon, okay, let's grab this. If it is a weapon, we also need to check the weapon type to see if it's a primary or a secondary, so that way we can equip it in the right place. So if I do this weapon info, we break the weapon info and we do a switch on weapon class. Now if it's a primary weapon, okay, let me move this down. If it's a primary weapon, we get the character. Yep, get the character. Check to see, because we need to check to see if we already have a primary equip. If we already have a primary equip, we're just gonna, whichever one we overlap, and we're just gonna add it to our inventory. So we say is valid. Okay, so if it's primary, we check to see if it's valid. If it's already equipped, if the primary already equipped, we simply gonna do the same thing we do up here. We're gonna pick it up and we're gonna add it to our inventory. But if it's not, we're gonna grab the character again and we say server, no, from the character, we say server spawn, wait, yeah, primary. And still our item info, and then we'd simply destroy, come on, destroy the actor. Before we do the rest, let's go make sure this is working, because yeah, I know it. We also need to, if it's false, we need to bypass this and simply go there. If auto pickup is false, all right, if auto pickup is false, we need to bypass this. Yeah, so if it's primary, interesting. If it's primary, pick it up. Let me double check. Spawn primary weapon. Yeah, if it's primary, is valid. See, this is it. I'm messing up. Get primary weapon ref. We need to check if not the character, the primary. We need to make sure the primary is valid. And yeah. So fingers crossed. If it's primary, let's pick up the hand. Yeah, you see, primary, it just automatically pick it up. But now it's not picking up anything else. What am I doing wrong? If it's okay, if I'm checking my notes to make sure I'm doing everything right. Yeah, if it's false, just pick it up. Yeah. If it's auto pickup, it's false, pick it up. If it's a health item, just pick it up. And then destroy it. Yeah, this should work. This should work. Why it's not picking up anything? Oh yeah. Health. I don't know why I was trying to pick up helmet and everything. Like I don't. Okay, tonight is just going bananas for me. Okay, so we're gonna repeat the same process for a secondary weapon. So we can just move this, grab everything here, do the same thing for the secondary. Make sure you change this. Get secondary ref. Delete this. Yeah. Make sure this is valid. Let's do it. Let's do it that way so that way you understand what's going on. Yeah, so we get the character, make sure the secondary is valid. If it is, pick it up. Yeah, I'm already mad. Yeah, if it is already equipped on the character, pick it up, add it to our inventory, and destroy it. But if it's not, we say server spawn secondary weapon, and then let's delete this, add this here, and delete. Okay, let's just recap a little bit because I was all over the place. So if we already have a primary weapon equipped on us, is already valid, we call pickup item to add whichever item we overlapping. It's gonna add it to our inventory and it's gonna delete the reference. So for example, let me show you. If we have, do we even have two primary here? So let's grab 1, 2. Okay, so if we have one primary, it's gonna equip it. If we trying to pick up a second one, it's added to our inventory. Pick up the third one, add it to our inventory. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do here. So if we already have one equipped, we just pick it up, but if we don't, we just add it. Oops. So we do the same thing for the secondary. So now we can repeat the same process for the backpack and the helmet and the armor, everything else. So but we don't need to because we don't have any type. So directly go here, and then we're gonna from here, let's delete this. Since we're doing the backpack, we say get backpack ref. Make sure this one is valid. Okay, and then same old thing here, say server spawn backpack. Delete this. Now the question is do you want the character to have multiple backpack? Like, oh well, if you have a backpack, yeah, you can do that because like I said, we're gonna change the inventory size based on the backpack the character have equipped, so we can do it that way. Okay, so if this is for the backpack, we do the same thing for the helmet. We're gonna add some comment. We do the same thing for the helmet, and then we're gonna start collapsing some stuff to the. Let's do the armor first. Armor. Get armor. Armor ref. Make sure it's valid. Delete this. Excuse me. Delete this. And server spawn armor. Delete this. lastly, we do get helmet. I believe this is the only one we have left, because we already did the armor and backpack. Yep. And then we say we delete this. Say server spawn helmet. Here, plug it to the helmet. Now let's go take a look. Pick up the helmet, boom, equip it. Pick up the armor, boom, equip it. Backpack, same thing. Equip it, equip it. Now we can still press 1, pick up our slash everything to 2. Everything still work. Unequip, unequip. Cool beans. Yes, sir. Now if we pick up this, let's say we already have all of this equipped. We got the backpack. Now we have the backpack in here. Get the vest, you know. There you go. Everything is working perfectly fine. Now let's go and clean this mess. This is what? Backpack. Backpack equip. This is armor. Armor equip. Or you can call it whatever you want. Whatever works for you. Me, I'm just being simple. Uh-oh, what this is? Equip helmet. Fingers crossed. Yep, it is. Okay. Now we can just drag them here. We can do the same thing for the primary door weapon. We can just collapse both of them. We say equip weapons. Now our node's a little bit cleaner. We could have just add this in here too. Yeah, let me copy. Let me move this. Got this. Delete this. Plug this here. Yeah. So now our node is a little bit cleaner, and we can drag this down, drag this up, and even with this too, we can clap it to a node. Clap it to a node. I spent, a few minutes trying to make my stuff look cute. Hopefully you make yours look cute. So now, like I said, if you don't want the auto pickup, you just come here, uncheck this. Now everything gonna work as normal. You just gotta pick up your items and then double click to equip. Okay. So now we need backpack, double click to equip. Hold control, unequip. But if you want that, you can just leave this check and you walk here. Oh, you already have one, pick it up. You already have one, pick it up. Yeah. Or you can also make it, as soon as you pick up the primary, it automatically equip it. So I think the way you would do that is weapon, primary. Yeah, right here. We can also say, what is the character? That's if you want to. We can also say server equip primary. But I don't, yeah, like that. So I think soon as he pick up the primary weapon, yep, there we go, you see? Yeah, but you're gonna get this. Ah, okay, it worked. That's if you want that, and then you can also create a variable too to say it's primary auto equip. Now that's if you want to do all that, but if you don't, just remove this, and then you have to double click and everything. Like I said, if you want that, you can say is primary auto equip. I'm just showing you multiple ways you can do certain things. So now you get the character, you say is primary auto equip. Let's make some space. If it's true, we do this. But if it's not true, we simply go here. All right. So now I think primary auto equip is already true. Pick it up, boom, equip it. But if we set it to false, when you pick it up, just gonna add it in the back. See, now you have more control over how you want your game to work. It's your game, you see. Now I'm showing you multiple ways if you want to do certain things. So thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, leave a like, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.